All right, so workbench icon theme specifies the icon theme used in the workbench or null to not show any file icons. So by default you have two. You have VS SETI. This comes with VS Code by default, and this is what it looks like. And you also have another one, which is VS Minimal, which looks like this. My preferred one is actually this one right here, VS Code icons. It's a really great icon theme. So you just search, you go to the extensions tab, and you search for icon theme and search for VS Code icons. And if you install this one, this is what it looks like. VS Code icons. And it looks really great. Like, I love this theme because it has icons for most of the files that you'll find. It distinguishes between assets, images, node modules, the gitignore file, favicon, HTML, JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS, Sass. I mean, there's everything. It has pretty much everything. It has C#, React, a lot of cool stuff. It even has icons for the package.json files, and it distinguishes them from other files it doesn't know about. Like, for example, the config.json file, it shows the curly brackets, right? But because it knows this is an npm file, it shows the npm icon. So I think this is a really great icon theme. It really helps you navigate the files faster. So I'm leaving this one with VS Code icons.